2 meters and 98 centimeters long was one-third as long as a white thread. Neha used 2.5 meters of the white thread to tie the parcel. She then cut the rest of the white thread into 4 equal pieces. Calculate the length of each remaining piece of white thread. See here, 2 meters and 98 centimeters means 200 centimeter plus 98 centimeter, or in terms of meters it's 2.98 meters. So total length of black thread is 2.98. What is given? White thread is thrice, means here black thread is one-third of white, so white will be 3 times of black. So white thread equals to 2.98 multiplied by 3. Now if you multiply this, it's 8.94. Check earlier videos of mine for multiplication. Now what Neha did is, Neha used 2.5 meters of white thread to tie a parcel. Now this is a mixed fraction. We have to convert it into simple or decimal. Let's see. See here, other figures here we are having it in decimals only. So we'll convert this 2.5 into decimal. Now how do I convert? 2/5. What is 2/5? Means 20/5. Put a point and 20/5. So 1.4. Again I'll say check earlier videos of mine on division, multiplication, addition of points. Okay. So it becomes 1.4. So what do you mean? Neha used out of 8.94 1.4 meters to tie some parcel. Total is 8.94 and what she has used is 1.4. So what is remaining now? So what remains is 8.94 minus 1.4, that is 7.54. Now this 7.54, what did she do? She cut it into 4 pieces. So what we'll do is we'll divide the 7.54 into 4 pieces. So see this division, 4 1 the 4, 35, then point 4 8 are 32, 3 remains, 4 8 are 32, again 2 remains, 20, 4 5 are 20, and this becomes 0. So the answer is 1.885. Remember, try this division again from your side.